dogs operating on one brain cell, and the last one used it all up. At number 5, this Labrador got caught mid-thought.
What are you doing?
At number 4, this Golden Retriever lost a fight against his own toy. At number 3, this Husky saw a bird and forgot where he was going. At number 2, this Golden Retriever tried to bite the glass and got stuck thinking about it. But before number 1, like and subscribe if you think dogs are the funniest. Number 1, this Husky tested the wall with his nose first. Comment a heart if you love dogs.